busted open this morning, said something big was gonna happen today. You can't say you didn't have any warning. No Stanford con man gonna get in my way. Goodness gracious, can it be? Who she wrote got back to me. Who's that knocking at my door? He is beating a penny, but who is that behind Moxley? Who's that knocking at my door? I know it can't be the chairman, the meat man, the hangman. They've been here today. Can't be the bunny, the butcher, the plate. No, they don't knock that way. When Sting enters, it's cold outside, but my arms are open wide. Who's that knocking at my door? When Sting enters, it's cold outside, but my arms are open wide. Who's that knocking at my door? My oh me, from another company. Who's that knocking at my door? Wednesday night, 8 o'clock, it's the perfect time to knock. Who's that knocking at my door? I know it can't be the Rain Man, the Ass Man, the Bread Man. Gato objects. I hope it's not that duct tape the leg man who writes out those checks. It's not Kota Ibushi, and I'm too scared of Suzuki. Who's that knocking at my door? It can't be the cleaner, the skater, the dinosaur, cause I paid the bills. I know it's not Britt Baker, the dentist, Swan or Jade Cargill. It's someone from Bullet Club, some know him as Hideo. Kenta's knocking at my door.